Welcome to Ridge Life. I'm Tim, and today it's time to wean our baby bunnies. The baby bunnies are just over 6 weeks old, and I think Mama Peppa here has had enough of them kits. She is ready to get back into her own hutch. We're gonna weigh her, see how much she weighs. We'll weigh Cupcake and Frosty as well, see how much the other adult Buck and Doe weigh. But we're also going to weigh each one of our kits, and we're going to sex them. We'll be able to tell today which we have, baby boy or girl baby bunnies. To weigh the bunnies today, we're gonna use this Buer baby and pet scale. It's made for a baby, yeah, but it works great for pets as well. It goes up to 44 pounds. Of course, I'm not going to have a 44-pound rabbit, but it does measure in 0.2 ounce increments. So it's going to be great for measuring both the adult and baby bunnies. We're going to start off by measuring Peppa. So I just want to turn the unit on. It's going to tear out to 0. It has an auto hold feature, so as soon as the weight stabilizes and she stops moving around, it automatically hold the constant weight. You can also push the hold button if you're having trouble getting it to stabilize. You can just do it when you think it's ready. Go ahead and get her on here. Okay, get her to calm down. Okay, calm down. She's at 9.38 pounds. She's a big old bunny. We've got our Buck here, Frosty. He's a little bit smaller. You know, Bucks are a little bit smaller than the Does. Set him down here, get it turned on, let it stabilize, tear out. Okay, get him on here, let him calm down. Oh, that's down here. 6.48 pounds, so much smaller than Peppa for sure. We've got Cupcake here. She's a big old, beautiful Texas A&M composite. Got our scale, tear it out there. Get her on here, let her stabilize. 8.42 pounds, so she's not quite as big as old Peppa. Of course, she hasn't been nursing and getting free fed like Peppa. While Peppa was in with the grow out, she got free fed. We were rationing out to Frosty and Cupcake. Check the weight of our first baby. There's a white one, and the baby is, as soon as it stabilizes, 2.48 pounds. Okay, let's let that one go off to the side. We'll sex them all here in just a little bit before we put them back into their cages. Move on to the black one. See how much the black one weighs. 2.4 pounds. Now we've got one of the broken ones. We'll set it off there and see how much it weighs. So cute. 2.64 pounds. Another white one. Beautiful rabbits. 2.5 pounds. We got our gray one, the one everybody loves. See how much it weighs. 2.5 pounds. Another cute broken one. 2.62 pounds. We have our last white one. Beautiful, New Zealand. 2.56 pounds. Our last one is the broken. A little bitty one. I think this one's gonna be less. 2.06 pounds. So most of them are about 2.5 pounds, down to as little as 2.06. Bed load of baby bunnies in here, all 2 pounds to just under 3, all growing nicely, beautiful. You saw how much the Bucks and Does weighed, the big mama and daddies, and now let's go sex them. To sex them, you have to, it helps with 2 people, I've only got 1 today, but you have to hold them up and pull their tail up and squeeze until their male and female parts are exposed. What you're looking for is a donut or a taco. Yes, I am not kidding, a donut or a taco. We'll show you that here in just a second. We're going to start here with a Texas A&M New Zealand, beautiful white rabbit, red eyes, and so you got to get them comfortable. And if you can get them upside down, 2 people, this is a lot easier. But once you squeeze and it's exposed, you'll see a slit. This one is a Taco, so this is a female. So we have a female New Zealand. Put her in there. Let's move over to another one. We've got our pretty black Texas A&M composite here. We're going to go ahead and do the same thing. That looks like a donut. We've got a donut here, so he is a boy. So we've got a boy. The black one is a boy. Buck. Moving on over to a broken one. Again, aren't they just so cute? Beautiful. This one has blue eyes. Very, very gorgeous. Let's see if I can get it comfortable. Okay, once I got it turned over, I'm going to squeeze it out. And this one is a slit, so this one is a female. Move on to another white one. This one is a boy, has a donut. So we've got the black one as a boy, and one of the white ones is a boy, and we have a white one and a broken one, girls so far. So we're 2 for 2. Now we have everyone's favorite, our beautiful gray or chinchilla, and just a beautiful bunny. We're gonna check now, get it comfortable, see if we have a boy or a girl here. Looks like a girl. We've got a slit. Yep. We have a girl. Back to a broken. Get it comfortable. Flip this leg over here. We've got a girl. It's a slit. Beautiful white. New Zealand. So far, we're 2 boys and the rest girls. Let's see how this one is. That looks like a boy. We got a donut. So now we got 3 boys. Finish up with our last one. It's a composite. So now we're 3 boys and 4 girls so far. Let's see if we can make an even 4 for 4, or if it's still more females than boys. So let's see here. Here we go, and this looks like it's a boy. We are 4 for 4. 4 for 4 with our baby bunnies. 4 boys, 4 girls. Well, we got our bunnies sexed. We've got them weaned. Peppa is over here in her own hutch, and we know we have 4 boy buck bunnies. We have 4 girl doe bunnies, so that's good to know, an equal combination of the two. We'll get them water and fed here, get some Timothy grass on them. We got a little special for you today. As soon as we get done with these chores here, we're going to mate Cupcake with Frosty, and you get to watch today. We got everybody fed and watered. Again, the grow outs get an unlimited supply of Timothy hay, and the feed, again, that's 16% protein or more for all your meat rabbits. You want to make sure they have a really high protein pellet. So they've got unlimited supply, and for our bucks and does, our breeders, we have them on a controlled amount. So yes, our feeders are larger, but we don't fill them all the way up. We make sure that they have the appropriate amount, again, buck and doe, whether they're getting ready to breed or have already bred. Now it's time to breed Cupcake with Frosty. Now, you always want to bring your doe to your buck. The does are very territorial. If you bring your buck to your doe, the doe may reject the buck and fend him off from her area. So bring her over to his area, a lot better chance of success for breeding. So let's go ahead and get her over now. And let's see how the magic happens. Well, hopefully Frosty did his job. He had 5 successful fall-offs. I noticed he had a little blood on him, and I thought maybe a cupcake might have bit him, and she had enough of his antics. So I got her out of there, and he is none the worse for the wear. I think he had a good day. We'll get him put back up and check on our kits again and say goodbye. We've got a big old pile of happy bunnies. You can see they are weaned from Mama. Mama's over in her own hutch now. You got 5 of them up here, or 6 of them, and there's a couple down below. And they're just sunning, enjoying. They've got their water, they've got their feed, they've got their hay. Just a bunch of happy bunnies. This Buer baby scale, pet scale, worked out great for weighing our bunnies. They felt stable on there, they felt secure. The auto hold feature worked perfectly, so we got a good accurate weight of our bunnies. I'll put the link to in the description of this if you'd like to purchase this off Amazon. It's a pretty good deal. Hope you enjoyed watching us wean our baby kits today, sex them. Of course, we also mated Cupcake and Frosty. We fed them, and you can see we got fur all over me here. My RidgeLife shirt got a big old hole in them. You gotta watch out with your meat rabbits. Those claws are sharp. If you like what you saw, please subscribe to RidgeLife. Hit the notification bell to be notified anytime a new video comes out. So until next time, hope everyone has a blessed day, and go RidgeLife.